Cardiac guys, and remember this DD audio, guys. Yes, this is a DDSC. Yes, guys, DDSC supercharger. I think this is the, I know 9510. I don't know which one of the, if it's LK or whichever one. But yes, guys, let me give you a little. Can I do a little test on it, guys? Yeah, just a little, not just to see. Because I wired down to 2 ohms because a dual. Wired down to 1 ohms. It's a dual 2. So yeah. And I'm at 31 hours. Let me put up a little bit. Alright, that's 45 hertz. Yeah, I forgot to put. Yeah, look at that thing, guys. 45 hertz. Man. So that's 45 hertz. Alright. Let me put it down to. Jeez, that's 38 hertz. This is shaking like crazy. Look at it, guys. If you watch here, you could see it. Oh, it's shaking back and forth. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't want to put any more power to it, guys, because my battery life, let me see, 12.2 volts, yeah, and the capacitor. I have a capacitor now, guys. I never used to have one, but now, yeah. And that's 30 hertz. Whoa. It's taking a lot from this thing. Feeling the voice card, guys, underneath there. I can put my finger. I can feel the temperature, but it's cool. It's not eating or anything. Yeah, that's it wouldn't. I can't turn it over 30 hertz, guys, because it's requiring a lot. Put it back at 45. Alright, that's 36 hertz. I'm gonna leave it right there for now. I'm gonna try to bump it up and see. Holy crap. Oh, yeah. That's too much, yeah. Yes, guys, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna move. Right. Calm down. Wow. Yes, guys, DD audio, guys. SC. It's a 10-inch, guys, yeah. A little breaking a little. Wanna hear something, guys? Look at this now. Oh, nice. Jeez. Wow. Five. That's 37 hertz. 37 hertz. Bump it up a bit. capacitor volts at 11.8, guys. It's going down. Wow, that's some nice flexing, guys. Ooh, ooh, take it down, take it down, take it down, take it down. All right. Woof, woof, woof. Yeah, I didn't know it would be so solid on this. It's because I put this type of thing on it now, guys. Before, this thing would vibrate the whole table. Oh, so I realized, guys, because underneath this, on the table I have yeah, I realized what happened and why it does it now. That's good. That's really good. Yeah, it's really good. I'm glad it's working out, you know. But something I wanna really show you guys the close up, but yeah. So yes guys, so this is up and running guys. So yep. Let you guys see what's going on. It's wired down to 1 ohms as I told you guys. Yeah. So yep. Up and running guys. Please like, subscribe if you guys like what you see so far, and Cardi guys is out for now with this TD. Yes guys, SC guys, SC sub. Alright guys, see you guys on the next one. Alright, enough respect.